Hello children, welcome back. Welcome to your English class. Let us start a new topic, grammar, gender and its kinds. First of all, the learning objectives. What will you learn by learning genders? You will be able to understand all kinds of genders. Genders is having so many kinds, 4 kinds are there, so you will be understanding each and every kind. You will come to know that animals also have different gender. Do you know this? Animals also have different genders. So you will know about all that. You will be able to change masculine to feminine or feminine to masculine. So you will be able to change the different genders. Now first of all, gender is a noun. Gender is a noun. And all the living beings are either male or female, you know. All the living beings are either male or female. So gender tells us whether you are male or female. That means gender basically categorizes us to male or female. That means to which category we belong, to which group we belong, male group or female group. There are how many kinds of gender? 4 kinds. First one is masculine, then is feminine, third is common, and the fourth one is neuter. So masculine, you can see the picture and you can understand. Masculine means male. Masculine means male. All the male figures are there. See, this is lion, a male animal. This is a boy, a male. This is a horse, again a male. Uncle, he is a male. So, masculine, the definition of masculine is the noun that denotes male or masculine gender. Males, you know, na, boys and the men, they are called males. So, examples will be boy, prince, cock, drake, lion. Drake means the male gender of duck. Duck is a female and drake is a male. Now comes the feminine. Now you can see feminine means a girl or a female. All the female genders are called feminine genders. So first one is hen. Hen is an animal. Hen is a female. This is aunt. She is a female. Cow, a female. Then a girl, female. Now the definition of feminine. The nouns that denote women or female animals are said to be of feminine gender. So all the females or the girls or the aunts and women are feminine. Now examples are girl, princess, hen, duck, lioness. Then comes the common gender. You can see the pictures and then you can understand it. What is a common gender? Common means it can be a male also or a female also. One common name is given to them. For example, a doctor. It can be male also and female also. So that's why it is called common. Now similarly, teacher. It can be male also and female also. So it is a common gender. Now the definition of common gender. The names of things that denote either the masculine or feminine are said to be of common gender. They can be masculine also and they can be feminine also. For example, doctor. I earlier told you that doctor can be male or a female. Teacher, male or a female. Then parent can be male or a female. Similarly, child also can be male or female. So, all these were common genders. Now comes the neuter gender. Now neuter gender means all the non-living things. All the non-living things are called neuter gender. For example, this is a building. It is neuter. Again, this is TV, television. So it is neuter gender. Book, non-living thing. It is neuter gender. Then table, again a non-living thing. It is a neuter gender. Now the definition of neuter gender will be the nouns that denote lifeless objects, that means non-living objects, are said to be of neuter gender. These are neither male nor female. Understood? That means They are lifeless objects such as pencil, board, table and duster. Now the list of masculine and feminine genders. These all are masculine and these all are feminine. Lion, lioness. Just speak with me. Shepherd, shepherdess. Poet, poetess. Priest, priestess. Host, hostess. Author, authoress. Heir, heiress. This is for heir. H is silent. Okay, heir, heiress. Prince, princess. Steward, stewardess. Count, countess. Conductor, conductress. Hunter, huntress. Prophet, prophetess. You can see what we have changed in these words. We have added ESS. In all the words we have added ESS. So this is the one way how we change masculine to feminine. Now some other words. These words change by changing the word. For example, grandfather will become grandmother. We have changed father to mother. Milkman will be milkmaid. Then manservant will be maid servant. Maid means a lady, a woman. Landlord, landlady. He goat, she goat. Peacock, peahen. Grandpa, grandma. Policeman, policewoman. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Grandson, granddaughter. Headmaster, headmistress. Mr., Mrs. Postmaster, postmistress. This is not masteress. Just take care. You always do this mistake. Master becomes masteress. No, that is wrong. It is mistress. M-I-S. Similarly, postmaster will be postmistress, not masteress. Then son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Stepfather, stepmother. Stepson, stepdaughter. Now, these are the common gender names. You have to find out. Missing letters you have to fill. This is male or female infant. That means a small child. A small child, a little child is known as baby. Okay. Then mother or father. Either mother or father. Both of them are known as parent. Then husband or wife. They are known as spouse. Okay. Spouse can be male also or a female also. That means husband also or a wife also. Then boy or a girl, they are called child. Then man or woman, a person. Person can be male also or female also. Now you have to change the gender of the following bold words. That means nouns. Nouns are given and you have to change their gender. The king loved the daughter more than the son. So king will be changed into queen. Daughter, son. Again, son, daughter. Learn the spellings of daughter, okay? My uncle and my niece came to visit me. First of all, this is niece, not nice. N-I-E-C-E. Niece means a child of your father's brother or sister. That is called niece. N-I-E-C-E, mind it. Uncle, aunt, niece, nephew. Nephew is a male and niece is a female. Bhatija, bhatiji or bhanja, bhanji. They are called nephew and niece. Now next is the lady in the photograph is my grandmother. So lady will be changed into gentleman. Lady's gender will be changed into gentleman. And grandmother, grandfather. The goose rode on the back of the horse. So goose will be changed into gander. Horse will be changed into mare. Female horse is called mare. M-A-R-E, mare. Then is my brother drew the pictures of a bull. Brother will be changed into sister. Bull will be changed into cow. Then a bitch will be changed into dog. A rooster, hen. Rooster is a cock. Means a male is known as cock, no? So rooster is also a male. Hen. And then gander, goose. Now this is your activity that you have to do in your notebooks. How you have to do it? First of all, give the heading activity this way. Then you have to write the heading, write the following words in different blocks according to their gender. So these words, how you have to write in? You have to write in sleeping lines, putting commas in between. All the words you will be writing this way. Now these are the words, let us see. You have to write in different blocks. For example, masculine block will be there, feminine block will be there, then common block will be there, and then neuter. 4 blocks you have to make. I will show you in the next slide, and then you have to categorize these words. So folk will be which gender? That will be neuter because it is lifeless object. Then game again will be neuter, it is again lifeless. Then lamb will be feminine. Nest will be neuter. Pen again neuter. Photo neuter. Shirt neuter. All these are lifeless objects. Men masculine. Women feminine. Children can be male or female, so common. Mice again feminine. Teeth neuter. Geese is feminine. Feet will be neuter. Bird will be common, it can be male or female both. Then broom again lifeless object, so neuter. Camel masculine. Desk neuter. Doll neuter. Egg neuter. Flower neuter. So this way you have to categorize them. See, this way you have to make the blocks. Just make blocks. First you have to write the heading activity, then write the heading whatever is written, and then you have to write all the words with commas. In 2 or 3 lines they will come and below it you have to draw the boxes. No need to draw this. It is your own creativity. If you want to draw, you can draw, otherwise leave it. Just beautify your activity with pencil colors. Sketch pens are not allowed. Gel pens or pencil colors. So write this way. See, masculine is written, feminine, common and neuter. So this way you have to do. Now next comes learning outcomes. So what have you learned? You have learned, you have understood the meaning of gender. I hope you have understood the meaning of gender. Then you must have learned about the 4 kinds of gender. Now I think you have understood 4 kinds of genders are there. Is well aware about how to use it in daily life. So you know how to use them in your daily life now. You can call males and females as genders also. You can call them by their genders. So this was all about genders, and in the next lecture I'll be giving you all the exercises. Just revise them properly, learn all the words nicely, and then do the activity very nicely in your notebook, and we'll meet again. Till then, goodbye.